Yo guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to yet another video. In today's video, we're going to Dubai.
Habibi, come to Dubai.
So Brabus invited me to come to Dubai because they're opening their new store. Holy shit, Smokey's going to Dubai. Anyway, I'm just gonna sneeze myself into Dubai airport. And just like that, we are in Dubai with...
Yep.
Yap. Yeah, we gotta grab a cab. Not gonna lie, this is a fancy hotel. Quick little pit stop at the Jafal Habib mountain or something. It's like 1,400 meters high and the view is kind of spectacular. Yeah. So yeah, tomorrow we got the Brabus party. We got the Mercedes AMG GTR, and in the back, the Burj Khalifa. Smokey's in Dubai with a GTR. I don't get it. Look what place I have ended. First Motors. This place is crazy. Yep, two Brabus motorcycles. The one I had at my house. We got Ferraris. We got a bunch of Ferraris. We got more Ferraris. And we got Pagani's. And of course, my favorite of all time, it is sold. It is of course sold. Look at that. The Jesco. Ooh-wee. Jesus Christ. And of course a casual MG1 just standing over here. We got a Bugatti over there. Yeah, this place is nuts.
Bruh.
Anyway, some horns going off. Feels like got a little bit of an India vibe. Yap is also just woken up, and yeah, we are actually trading in the GTR for something else today. Hello. I used to work in a factory, had no money in my bank account, and now I'm in Dubai. Gonna drive Lambo. Now these things go around 5,000 dirham a day, which means it is about like 1,100 euros a day. So it's pretty expensive though, but if you have a buddy, it's half price. So it's about 500 for a day for me, 500 a day for my buddy, so it's not that bad. You also have to pay about 500 euros in bail, so just if you wreck it, it's not that bad, it's not that bad. I'm gonna let Jaap drive this car out of the city, because I paid some bail on it. Yeah, and you guys know me, I like to crash things. First time in Dubai, first time in a Lamborghini Huracan convertible. Yeah, this is definitely bucket list material. Listen to that sound. This is... I'm not a Volkswagen lover, but this is good stuff. There's also some casual people just walking on the highway here. This is normal in this country. What's up, guys? Habibi! Yalla, yalla, yalla! I don't really want to go home, but it's too hot. It's too hot out here, so I do want to go home. Now, you might be thinking like, Smokey, that is all very expensive. Now, coming to Dubai is actually pretty expensive. The flight here was about 1,300 euros. The stay is of course paid by Brabus. So yesterday we had two pizzas and a Coke and a Fanta. It was 48 dirham, and 48 dirham is only like 12 euros. 12 euros for two pizzas and two drinks. This one right over here is 48 dirhams, which is 12 euros. That's not the cheapest, but I mean it's a cocktail, so it's not bad. Yep, Dubai Marina. Kind of looks like this, and then we have the towers in the background, something like that. Now I've just been swimming, and the temperature of the water is like about 20 degrees or something, but we gotta get ready because the Brabus party is going to start. Yeah. Who's a pretty bird? Polly wants a cracker. Polly wants a cracker. Yeah. And also, if you want to go for a little bit of water adventurous stuff, yeah, you gotta be over there, something like that. That is freakishly high. Like I said before, this is a really strange beach, and Dubai's like so safe. I've never felt as safe as this before. If I leave my keys, and especially the Lambo keys, I have Lambo keys right now. Goddamn, I actually feel rich. That is weird. If I leave the Lambo keys just somewhere here, leave my phone, my wallet, with even money sticking out, I'm pretty sure that when I come back, it's still here. Probably has to do something with your hand getting chopped off if you steal somebody else's stuff, or getting kicked out of the country with your whole family. I don't know. They also don't sell alcohol here. The only thing that I don't really like here is the amount of Botox and lip fillers. That is absolutely crazy. Like a lot of orange looking girls, a ton of makeup, fake tits, and a lot of lip filler. Not a fan of that. But for the rest of it, golly. Now, we were just cracking a joke about all these course and drop shipping and day trading courses that you can buy them and then you will be rich and you can live in Bali. Well, I'm like, buy my YouTube course if you want to travel to Dubai and rent a Lamborghini. Possibilities right there, yeah. Well, I'm just kidding. You can actually buy a Lamborghini and buy a house in Dubai as well with my YouTube course, but you're gonna need a shitload, a couple million views. Anyway, let's get this puppy on the road. Ridiculous. It's also pretty cool. We got valet parking. We got a yellow Urus, we got some kind of Ferrari, and we got a Porsche GT3 RS. Like, I love these things. I'm not gonna lie about that, but I just as well just drive around my Jimny around this time. I really don't care. This is fun. It was fun, and like I said, I'm just happy to be gone. Yeah. But the sound of that thing is like. I also just was standing in the elevator with the Strat man. Look at that. The guy with the white hat. That's a Strat man. Yeah. This is a kind of fancy party. Brabus though.